Hello again. You've done 3 sessions now. Words, cartoon images, real photographs, and your midbrain has been taking notes the whole time. This session is different because we're switching from visual to audio. If you have a fear of birds phobia, there are 3 types of sounds that are most likely to spike your anxiety, and understanding why helps you stay in the session instead of escaping. 1. Sudden sounds. A flock taking off without warning, a single squawk from nearby. Your nervous system is wired to respond more strongly to unexpected sounds than expected ones. It's a survival mechanism, and birds have been triggering it for a lot of people for a very long time. 2. Close-up sounds. The sound of wings flapping right next to you, not distant bird song, up close. Proximity cue fires the threat response even without any visual confirmation. 3. Sounds associated with aggression. The seagulls screech, the crows caw, high-pitched, sharp, irregular. Your midbrain has filed these under warning signal. These 3 categories are exactly what this session covers. Stay in it, let each sound run for the full time. That's where the update happens. And here's something I want to tell you up front. For a lot of people with a fear of birds, sounds are the most triggering thing. More than the sight of a bird, more than a photograph, it's the sudden squawk out of nowhere, the flapping you hear before you see what's causing it, the sound of a flock taking off just as you walk past. There's a reason for that. Unexpected sounds activate the threat response faster than visual cues. Your hearing processes danger signals in under 1/10 of a second before your visual system has even had a chance to locate the source. So if this session is the hardest one so far, that's not weakness. That's just your nervous system doing what it was built to do, with a very particular kind of sound that it's been treating as a warning signal for a long time. Stay in it. Rate your anxiety for each sound as it plays. Let it sit. Breathe through it. Ready? Here we go. Excellent work. Keep coming back to this session until those sounds lose their edge. You'll know when. It just starts to sound like noise instead of a warning. The next session steps into video, animated footage of birds. Give this one a like if it's been helpful. I'll see you there.